दार्जिलिंग में 2 टायर है, 3 टायर नहीं है। अगर बंगाल में 3 टायर है तो दार्जिलिंग में भी 3 टायर होना चाहिए। फिर हम लिखते जाएंगे। लेकिन आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट दार्जिलिंग, all the parties said they will see that Darjeeling must be happy, and I congratulated the new Darjeeling municipality chairman also. They came with Ajay, Roshan Giri's, the Janmukti, DGM, they also came. Trinamool Congress also came. Anik Thapa, Gorkha Prajatantik, they also came. So they are the main political parties in Pahar. And only Roshan party said they will give some suggestion. Otherwise, this Onyx party, even the other political parties, including Trinamool Congress, all are willing for GTA election, Panchayat election, municipality election, and they said they will fully cooperate, and they want peace and development and prosperity. And they have some local problem that they have discussed. I think within 2-3 months, if the GTA election is over, then the elected representative will take the responsibility to do the jobs for the people. I'll be happy to see. Let us election for Panchayat and GTA and other municipality will be over within 3 months, within 6 months, not 2 months, 2-3 months, up to after May. So let the elected people work there. And now Darjeeling full of tourists. All the hotels are booked up to June. Homestay is also doing very well. School, colleges, universities, all are working well. They have some other things. They requested me for the primary school board, district primary school board chairmanship. So today, from here I talked to Dr. Bosch, and Harka Bahadur became the chairman of Kalimpong district, and Rohit Sharma became the chairman of this board, primary school board in Darjeeling district. They told me regarding, Trinamool also told me, Anik also told me, the others also. There are some ITI, the teachers are not there. That also I discussed with CS, and we have arranged everything. So this Ajay also said about they want to do some new thing in Darjeeling. So I said whatever we can do from our side, we will help you. Let us see the betterment and development. And people must appreciate Darjeeling always, that Darjeeling is a very happy place, smiling place. With this word, I thank you so much. Though it is cold, but you are waiting since long. Tomorrow we'll meet again. We have the public distribution program. They are also invited all. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Do you want to say something about the assembly?
I don't know anything. You can ask speaker. It is a speaker's prerogative.
Thank you.
Thank you.